solar system. Uranus was said to have a violent collision that tipped on its side, as it has a 98-degree tilt on its axis. Now, we're going to talk about collisions in the rocky planets. Every one of these collisions were so strong that they made molten rock around the planet once more. Now, one of these, Mercury, had a collision from an object about the size of the moon or even larger. It was so strong that the debris bursted the moon. That basically means that this impact had somewhat of an effect on Mercury. Probably the one that made its year 88 days, and its rotational period is nearly twice that much. We think that possibly the collision was so strong that it slowed Mercury down. The same with Venus. It had an impact from an object the size of the moon as well, or a bit smaller. And that impact also made Venus molten, as it is a quarter the size of Venus. Now, what is really interesting is that the idea of such collisions can be a bummer for those planets. When the two objects collided,